The Biden administration and the U.S. Secretary of Commerce continue to say the dismal April jobs report shows the economy has a long way to go as it recovers from the coronavirus pandemic. But they add it has nothing to do with the added unemployment benefits that Americans are receiving. However, Republicans disagree. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales reports.
Senate Republicans tell me it's simple. When people make more money on unemployment, then there's no incentive for them to go back to work. They're hoping that state leaders will follow the 13 governors across the country who have already cut the extra emergency unemployment benefits.
I would put the challenge out to all governors across this country. If you really want to get us back to where we need to be, take that voluntary effort that you can initiate yourself. Get rid of that supplemental payment.
I think it's important for us to acknowledge that we have a labor crisis, that a government program has exacerbated it, and it's time to address it because we are doing significant harm to the ability of these small businesses to survive.
The issue is a high-stakes gamble that Republicans say will strengthen the economic recovery and save taxpayer dollars. But Democrats worry it will pull the rug out from under low-income families. The majority leader claims the reasons people are not going back to work range from a lack of child care to being scared from the pandemic.
Many more people are helped by this $300 extra, and the overwhelming support in our caucus is to keep it.
People don't have confidence because they're seeing the leadership live in fear and the national media playing that fear card.
The April jobs report released last Friday showed that the labor market added a disappointing 266,000 new jobs, well below the million economists expected. The country officially has 10 million people who are still unemployed, a figure that could be higher than 13 million once it includes people who have dropped out of the labor market altogether. Senator Ben Sasse introduced a bill to convert expanded federal unemployment benefits into a 2-month signing bonus to get Americans back to work.
If they get a job by the 4th of July and they leave unemployment insurance, they would get 101% of what their next 2 months of unemployment would have been as well, but it's converted to a signing bonus to get them back on the job.
President Biden agrees that the numbers are disappointing, but adds that the American Rescue Plan, which passed in March, was aimed to help people not just in 60 days, but in an entire year. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.